Hello and welcome. Today we are at the famous Brandenburg Gate. When you visit Berlin for the first time, you come to the Brandenburg Gate with big expectations. I thought, this is one of the most famous landmarks in Europe. This must feel huge, dramatic, powerful, maybe even a little emotional. And then I arrived, and, well, it is nice, it is beautiful, it is historic. But the atmosphere is also surprisingly normal. Tourists are taking selfies, groups are walking around with flags, someone is selling souvenirs, people are eating snacks, and half of the crowd is just trying to find the best angle without other tourists for the photo. It does not really feel like a dramatic political stage anymore. It feels more like a famous tourist stop. So, what happened? In the past, this place was one of the most powerful political symbols in the world. During the Cold War, Berlin was divided, Germany was divided, and honestly, the whole world felt divided too. On one side, there was West Berlin. On the other side, East Berlin. And right in the middle of this division stood the Brandenburg Gate, right where we are here now. And the gate was not just a monument. It became a symbol of separation, a symbol of the Berlin Wall, a symbol of the conflict between East and West. And because of that, some of the most famous political moments happened just around this place. In 1963, John F. Kennedy visited Berlin. His famous speech, "Ich bin ein Berliner," was actually not held directly at the Brandenburg Gate, but at Rathaus Schöneberg. Still, Kennedy's visit to Berlin was deeply connected to the divided city and the symbolism of the wall. He looked toward East Berlin. He saw the division, and his message was clear. West Berlin was not alone. Then later, in 1987, Ronald Reagan came to Berlin. And this time, the Brandenburg Gate was the stage for one of the most famous Cold War speeches ever. He said the legendary words, "Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall." But then history changed. In 1989, the Berlin Wall fell. In 1990, Germany was reunited. The Brandenburg Gate was opened again. People could walk through it freely. But it also changed the role of the gate, because when the Cold War ended, the Brandenburg Gate lost its old job. Before, it was a symbol of conflict. Now, it became a symbol of unity. Before, it was a place for dramatic political speeches. Now, it is a place for tourists, festivals, public viewing, and New Year's Eve parties. And also people asking, "Oh, can you please take a picture of us?" It is no longer the stage where American presidents come to speak directly to the other side of the Cold War, or anybody else. The enemy is gone here. The wall is gone. Germany is reunited. So what's left? Tourists. Lost sub-tourists. People with cameras. The Brandenburg Gate has changed from the serious political hotspot into something more relaxed. I hope you enjoyed our tour today. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and please let me know, where can we go next? Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.